Y2K, last night took a L, but tonight I bounce back. Wake up every morning.
Oh, LJ. Just kidding, JL family. Today we are currently working on a project to fix his truck. He has a 1980, 85, somewhere around there, GMC Sierra. And we already took the engine out of it. The engine's over here. I'll show you real quick.
Here's the engine for the old small block.
What's wrong? Alright, so like I said, we already took the engine out. Here's the engine bay. Dirty. Eventually it's gonna get painted. Right now we're gonna take the bed off the truck. Eventually the cab too. New rims. That's about it. Oh, Alex, we gotta get a new back door. A tailgate. Yeah, but there's a bunch of junk, pine cones, garbage in the back. Cleaned it all out. Look at that. Little animals. Show the inside real quick. Dirty, but guess what?
We'll do it.
Oh goodness, here's the radiator, exhaust, took the hood off already, drive shaft's over here, transmission holder, that's about it. So, I'm going to start this project just in a little bit, and we'll get back to you. Anything to say, sir? Sure? We are at our shop, which is a towing company in Melbourne, Florida. Our parents own it. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're so retarded. Like I said, we're at a shop. Nothing much. Got some sexy trucks over there. Look at that. Sexiness. Ah. Yep, but that's about it. Later on, we're gonna be taking the bed off of it, or at least attempting to. We gotta take that off, take the cab off. We're gonna do the chassis, paint the chassis, new rims, paint, everything, like a show truck. So basically, that's it. Anything to say? Again. Alex, I forgot to tell them. What challenge are we doing later? Not challenge. What? Since it's so popular, what are we gonna do?
Fidget spinner versus glass.
I don't know how fast it spins, but everybody says 1,000 miles an hour. I don't know if that's true or not. But you know what? We'll see. We'll see. You wanna see my sexy baby? She's so hot. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at that sexy thing. She's always sneaking up on me. Ah. You're so retarded. Lily!
Hey!
What are you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing? Are you videotaping me?
Of course.
Love you, Jay.
Love you more. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm setting my chair.
It looks like fun. What did you find now? What is this? Is this your new drift car?
Back in the future.
We'll have to see if it comes in within what 30 days, I think it is. After 30 days, it becomes ours. There's a little hole in the windshield. Rear-wheel drive too. And rear engine. Oh, it dies. too, baby. Is it nice inside?
Sorta. I think it's naturally aspirated.
Well, we have to go move some stuff in the back right now. Sorry about the wind noise, if there's wind noise. It probably is, but still. We're moving these fiberglass pieces from a wreck semi-truck. Alright, Alice, what are you doing? Huh?
Stuff.
What's that? The bolt? Tell them what we're doing. Tell them what we're doing.
Today we're taking off the bumper to get the bed off for these bolts.
It's hard. Not hard. It's just the truck is so rusted that it's just the bolts are rusted together. So we use this spray. MC spray. It's called multi-purpose lubricant. You just spray it on it, wait 2 minutes, and then it should work. But right now we got the tail lights out. Right there you can see both tail lights are out. Took the bolts out from here. After we get this bumper off, I don't know if we're gonna do it today or not. But we're gonna try to get the bed off, like I said we were gonna do. And then that should be it for right now. Anything to say? Tell them the news.
One of us, not saying who it is, not me, not him, stripped out the bed bolts, and we can only get the bumper off. So now we got.
It was him.
No, it wasn't. Now we have to get the plasma cutter out soon.
Not today.
Not today though.
I'm done today. So we got the lights off. I already said that last time.
And now we're cleaning right now.
We got the hitch off over there. We
Yeah.
got the bumper off somewhere over there.
I'm injured.
A little cut. That's about it. Alright guys. Adios.